Good day everyone. Today I choose print media as my topic, such as newspaper, magazine, books, and flyer. Print media is one of the oldest form of media, but is still important today. It provides reliable and detailed information because the content usually goes through carefully editing before it published. Unlike online posts, print media is likely to spread fake news because it follows strict rules and standards. Another reason why print media is good choice is that it helps improve reading comprehension and focus. When read newspaper or books, we are not distracted by notification or ads. This allows the readers to understand the topic deeply and think critically about the information. However, print media is also limitation. It is not fast online media. It cannot be updated instantly. Despite this, print media remains useful in school, libraries, and communities where internet access is limited. In conclusion, print media is good choice because it credible, education, and trustworthy. It even digital age still plays an important role in sharing information. Thank you.